Hi. Today we will talk about the Vital Force. The best reviews for you. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Vital Force. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Vital Force. The first thing you need to know about Vital Force is, be careful about the website you will buy Vital Force, because Vital Force is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Vital Force and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Vital Force works. Vital Force contains a proprietary blend of natural ingredients that have been selected for their unique abilities to detoxify and support the immune system, as well as boost energy. Some of them are cilantro, ginger, turmeric and garlic. In addition to the core four, this powerful proprietary formulation harnesses the benefits of over 10 secondary ingredients in each pill. Designed to uplift your mind, body and spirit, these revolutionary pills are the key to unlocking your true potential. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Vital Force and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Vital Force during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Vital Force, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Vital Force to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Just take one capsule with water once a day, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, Vital Force has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Vital Force, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Vital Force really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.